Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on a lighter board from King's Supercenter, and I'm going to explain why I bought it and how I'm going to use it. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. This is it here. It is a King's portable lithium LED tripod light. Now, my way of thinking, it's going to be good if there's a blackout. I can use it. When I go camping, sometimes I go fishing. I'm down the beach and it's night time. Can't see, I wear head torches or things like that. So I thought maybe I could put it up in one area where the bait and the tackle is, and maybe where we're sitting and things like that, and use it as a light that way. And then there's other uses I could use it as around the camp. So I'm going to open it up now and show you what's in the box. Yeah. Okay, that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that there, but that's the picture. I'll turn it up a bit. Yes, that's what it looks like there, with the 3 light, that and extendable on a tripod base. Now you can actually remove the top of it and hook it up and hang it down from something. And lasts up to 8 hours. Runtime. And here, light output. You get a high, medium and low settings. Lithium battery rechargeable via USB-C port. It's a white light for working and an amber light for camping, so that you can have an amber light for the anti-insects. Telescopic design, quickly reach your desired height. And it's compact, compacts pretty well. It weighs 3 kilos. Oh, hang on, it weighs, net weight is 2.75 kilos. And the hook up here, and that hook there is also got a magnet on it, so you can hook it up, do what you want. So I'm going to open it up now and show you. Yeah, so you get the tripod here, extendable tripod, a bit weighty. Bit of weight in it. It's got to keep it weighty, I suppose, otherwise it's going to blow over. You get the user manual, of course, you get from King's. You get the light. And what's in here in this box? And in this box here, you get a bag to stow it in, and the cable, the charging cable to charge it. Yeah, as I say, you get a bag. King's written on it, and a carry handle. and a zip that zips it all up. You get the USB charging cable, USB to USB-C. You get the user manual, of course. You get the light. This is the light here. There's a hook. There's a hook to hook it up, and on the ends you've got magnets, 1, 2, 3 magnets, and it can go on to the side of the ute like that. Attaches to that, anything steel, you can attach to anywhere. They open up like this. So you can go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can have them in 3 different settings, fully up or fully partly down. And that's the specifications there on the light itself. You can see that. On the side here, that's where the charging cable is, on the side. And on the front here, you have the on-off switch. So you turn that on and it goes on to amber. 3 brightnesses of amber. And that's the white light. Yeah, so that's what it looks like fully out. You put together on the lowest height setting. You can raise it up. You can raise it up whatever height you want. I'll put it out to maximum again. Orange lights. White lights. Orange lights. White lights. Oof. Yeah, I think it's going to work really, really well for camping. I ummed and ahed about buying it, but then when I saw one day it came down to half price, $80 I paid for it. Normally 160 something, so yeah, I thought $80 was good value. Yeah. I'll drop it back down again. Unscrew it. Fold it up. Yeah, fold it up now. I said you got a hook, magnetic base, and you can screw it on top of the extension. There's the switches. These switches alternate between orange and white, and they adjust the 3 levels of brightness. Feels good. Just shove it all in the bag. Come up here. We then fold this up. It's all folded in. Okay, now it will go in the bag fully assembled, so you haven't got to unscrew it. I'll just show you that. That's all in the bag, so the top is screwed back on place. It's all in there. And just throw the USB cable in there somewhere, and that'll be it. Okay, it's dark. It's the darkest corner of my front yard, so I'm going to turn the light on. Now that is the brightest of the white. Oh, low, medium, high of white. Orange. Oh, low, medium, high of orange. So the coverage of the orange light is pretty good. That's low, quite bright, be perfect for fishing. That's medium, that's bright. It's white, low, that's low on white. Low, medium, high, or low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. Low, medium and high. So I'm just going to take you around here and have a look at it so you can see it. So you can see them. They're up on an angle. You can tilt them down like that if you want, or you can twist them sideways, whichever way you want to do it. They'll go through 180 degrees. So you can twist them like that, sideways, or you can go like that, or you can have them up higher. Have them down on an angle like that if you want it. And now these buttons here control the light. So you want white, you push that one off. So the setting is low, medium and high, off. low, medium and high. Okay, you want the orange, so on, off, low, medium and high. Now these bars down here indicate the remaining battery life. I haven't charged it, so it's new. And there's 3 bars left, 3 lights left, there are 4. So it needs I'll charge it up before I'm finished. So what I might do is put it down on the medium setting and give you a better look at it. Yeah, so you can have them up on that much of an angle, or you can have them down like that, all down, whatever you want. There's a variety of ways you can do it. You can twist it like that, twist it like that, and they're all adjustable the same. Twist them up, down, and same as this one. Twist it round. Now, this is of course on the low setting of orange. Let's move you down a little bit. Yeah, so put that up and up and up. That's the highest I'll go. But this unit will go way above my head. But you don't walk that close to it, so you're off. Low, medium and high. White. Off. Low, medium and high. Off. On. Orange. Low, medium and high. Off. So low, medium and high. Off. Orange. White. On low. That white is on low now, and it's very, very good to see with. It'd be perfect for fishing, and it'd be pretty good from that. As I say, you can adjust these down like that and direct one over that way if you want. So you can have it pointing the way you want to go fishing. Down here, I just have the light pointing just down on one little area. And the bugs like this white light. So put it back on orange. So yeah, on orange and low, you can see the floor. You can get around pretty well. So you want to adjust it. You just adjust it like that, and adjust it like that. No, you're adjusting it down, sideways or down, up, down, up, down. So yeah, it's got a multitude of choices on where you want the light and the brightness of it. I'm really impressed with this light. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't affect the camera really well, but yeah, on low. So as I said, it'll go up to 8 hours on setting, so I presume that to be the lowest setting. But generally speaking, you wouldn't have it on all night for 8 hours. You generally might have it on for 6 o'clock to 9:30, 10. So 4 hours you'd have it on. Now if you're fishing, you'd only be fishing for a couple of hours. So yeah, I'm really happy with this light. I think it's excellent value, and I'd definitely recommend it. I just got to go camping, but I was going to go this weekend, but I'm heading away on holidays in a couple of weeks, so I got some work around home to do. But yeah, and that's it there on the medium. It's a medium height, and as I said, it'll go way above my head on it. But I'm really happy with the output of that light. Yeah, very bright, good portable design. Set up in 10 seconds you can have it set up. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Love it. So there's the base down there, nice wide base. Especially the adjustability of that top section, and you can remove it and hang it up somewhere and put the base back in the car. No, but I really like that setup. That's how I'm going to use it and leave it most of the time, is with the base. Yeah, I really like this. I think it's very good light. Yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is you can't open the base by just pulling them apart like that. You have to push the button here, open it that way, and then it opens up. Yeah, so you won't open up. It's a good safety feature. Oh, so it goes open like that. And that's it. Nice compact design. You can see it. Look at it. Very compact design. Easy to open up. You can open up that high if you want them. You can open them up that high. Even, no, go up to 90 degrees. See? You can have them open up there. Look at them all. All up 90 degrees. Turn them on. So you can see them all up in the air like that. There's much light facing outwards. You can have one down, one twisted, or you can have it orange. Orange. Up, down, twisted. Up. Yeah. So yeah, you can have it whichever way you want it. I'm really impressed with this light. I think it's magical. So yeah, you can go way up in the air or down like that. But you're opening up like that, straight up in the air. Suppose you'd have one on if you want. The others are on, but you don't see them. Yeah. Very compact design, very light. Well, 2.75 kilos. All on there, and just fits in the bag. Okay. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this light. My new best thing from Kings. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers!